see my man despite your nation. I'm the Chinese yeah. Oh yes, that's the one. But what if I was because of French one and this guy is my own cooking? Don't like for it, oh, I just signed my games on the way. So I have so much exercise get to Jamie. Why is there smoke coming out of your face? Oh, that isn't smoke, it's steam. Steam from your steam ass we're having. Steamed ass. Oh. I hope you're ready for my flying hamburgers. I thought we're having steamed ass. No, I said steamed hams. That's what I call hamburgers. You call hamburgers steamed hams. Yes, it's original. And what region? Upset York? Really? Well, I'm from Unica. Steamed hams. Oh, not a Unica. No, it's unbelievable. Yeah, I see. Goodness, you know this hamburgers like what's the matter? Don't think I was oh no, bandit skinny boys, old family somebody for steam hams. Yes, you got them sea hearts, but you know, one thing excuse me for 1 second, of course. What is wonderful. Good time as ever. I pooped. Yes, I should be good. Lord, what is happening in there? Aurora Borealis. Aurora Borealis. In this time of year, this time of day, in this part of the country, localize entirely within your kitchen. Yes. I said. No. Simon, the house is on fire. No, madam. You just know like, well, Simo, you're an odd fellow, but I must say, you steam a good ham. Bim, 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 bim,